I want to first appreciate the team, management, for getting us where we are. It's quite not easy. It's a big budget, both physically, mentally, and financially to get ourselves here. I want to appreciate them that we are now in the top 4. So the struggle continues. I'm very excited that we won this game after we were literally not around, but we came back and had one training session and executed whatever we talked in the last training session. We were down 3 players, Ivan Lumanyika, Stanley Mugerwa, who is one of our best defenders. Ivan is also one of our best defenders. Kasa, who knows how to play at this level of the league, is out, but we managed to maneuver with a small squad and won the game. It's quite impressive. Getting yourself into a semi-final basically means that for now you're in top 4, but it does not just justify you as a champion. It only justifies you as close to the championship. So we are working towards getting where we want to be, and it's quite a tough semi. We are aware, and we know what we're getting ourselves into. There are things that we need to work on that I will not put out onto this interview, but we know our weakness, and it's what we're going to work on. We try to limit it by half today. It's the reason that's why we won the game, and we know we'll get ourselves where we want to be.